I want to tell you all about this easy to set up portable chicken run. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this chicken run from ANC POP has made my life with chickens easier and more fun. I have 4 young chickens, and I would love to have them free range, but unfortunately I have a dog that's having no part of that. So this chicken run gives my chickens a little more freedom and still protects them from the predators. I love how easy this was to set up. The instructions were easy to read, but honestly, if you've ever set up a tent before, then you won't even need to look at the instructions. This has several different openings with secure zippers that are smooth, a canopy to protect the critters from the sun, and stakes to secure it to the ground. And when they're ready for a fresh plot of grass, you simply pick it up and move it. Everything came in a nice little pouch with a handle for easy storage and toteability. I'm impressed by the durability. My chickens are young, moody, and destructive, and they've still spent every day in this run for about a month with no problems. I think you're going to love this run as much as I do, and that's my point of view.